Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to view your locked chats in WhatsApp. So let's get in. We're in the WhatsApp app, and as you can see here, there are no current chats. And if I tap down and hold my finger on the screen and drag down, you'll see that locked chats appear right at the top. So now I can just tap on the locked chats, and at the bottom over here it says unlock to continue. Now you will have to scan your fingerprint or use your PIN. Now, to set up your fingerprint and your PIN, you will have to go into your device settings and look for a lock screen. And once you get into lock screen, you'll go up to the screen lock type. And once you're in there, you will have to enable fingerprints, and you will then also have to enable the PIN, which is a 4-digit or a 5-digit PIN. So we can now then go back into WhatsApp. We have now set up our fingerprint, and all you have to do is hold your fingerprint down and that lock will unlock, and here are all your locked chats. If this was helpful, drop us a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you in another amazing video. Bye bye.